Envious, envious, envious.
It's Cos Finger, baby.
1947 Bentley 4.5 litre. In 1947, Bentley unveiled a new flagship model that would go on to become one of the most iconic and revered grand touring cars of its era, the 4.5 litre. Continuing the Marques tradition of producing powerful, luxurious and meticulously engineered vehicles, the 4.5 litre represent a significant evolution of the pre-war Bentley 4.25 litre model. At the heart of the 4.5 litre was a robust 4.5 litre inline-six engine that produced a formidable 153 horsepower. This remarkable power plant, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, allowed the Bentley to effortlessly cruise at high speeds while providing ample acceleration and a truly exhilarating driving experience. The 4.5 litre's elegant, full-body design, with its distinctive Bentley grille and sweeping fenders, conveyed a sense of timeless sophistication that appealed to the Marques' discerning clientele. Inside, the cabin was lavishly appointed with fine leather upholstery, polished wooden accents, and a host of luxurious amenities that catered to the needs of the well-heeled drivers and their passengers. The 4.5 litre's combination of blistering performance, exceptional build quality, and iconic Bentley styling cemented its reputation as one of the most desirable and prestigious grand touring cars of the post-war era. Its enduring legacy continues to inspire automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike, who revere the 4.5 litre as a shining example of Bentley's enduring commitment to crafting the finest luxury vehicles in the world. 1930 Bentley 4.5 litre. In 1930, Bentley unveiled the 4.5 litre, a revolutionary grand touring car that would go on to become one of the most iconic and sought-after models in the company's storied history. Designed to build upon the success of the earlier 3 litre model, the 4.5 litre represented a significant leap forward in terms of power, performance, and the quintessential Bentley driving experience. Powering the 4.5 litre was a robust 4.5 litre incline-six engine that produced a remarkable 110 horsepower, a substantial increase over the 3 litres output. This potent power plant, paired with the 4-speed manual transmission, allowed the Bentley to reach top speeds in excess of 90 miles an hour, a staggering figure for the time. The car's handling was equally impressive, thanks to a well-engineered chassis and suspension system that provided a masterful balance of comfort and precision. The 4.5 litre's distinctive design, with its long sweeping hood, muscular fenders and iconic Bentley grille, contributed to its formidable presence on the road. Inside, the cabin was appointed with the finest materials, including rich leather upholstery, polished wood veneers, and a host of bespoke features that catered to the needs of the discerning driver and their passengers. The 1930 Bentley 4.5 litre quickly established itself as a legend in the world of grand touring automobiles, with its combination of effortless performance, exquisite craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. Its enduring popularity and status as a true icon of automotive design have ensured that the 4.5 litre remains one of the most coveted and respected Bentley models in the Marques' illustrious history.
Envious, envious, envious.
It's Cos Finger, baby.